So this chapter is all about the four dolls. Actually, once there was a king and who has a wise minister, one wise minister named Jagannath. Once what will happen? A sage came there from a foreign country who were having three dolls with him, and he asked the king to tell me what message does these dolls convey. Then Jagannath came forward to tell what does it mean. This is Jagannath and this is king and this is that sage that came from the foreign country and who is having these three dolls. He just wants to know these dolls has some message. So you have to tell what message does it convey. Now Jagannath asked his king to put a string in first doll ear. Now king is putting the string in first doll's ear. That string comes out from other ear, and again he repeats the process with the second doll also. He puts the string in second doll's ear, it comes out from the mouth. He repeats the process with the third doll also. The king puts the string in third doll's ear, it doesn't comes out, and then Jagannath this is Jagannath. Jagannath said that I have made this dog myself. Now please put the string in this doll's ears also. Firstly, the king puts the string in fourth doll's ear first time. It comes out from the second ear. Second time, he puts the string again in the fourth doll's ear. It comes out from the mouth. And third time, it doesn't comes out. So this fourth doll, which was made by the Jagannath, that doll is combination of the above three dolls, right? That was brought by that sage. So what is the moral of this story? Actually, we should be like this fourth doll. A person should be like that fourth doll. Why? Because that fourth doll has all three qualities. 1, 2, 3. We should know when to speak out. हमें कभी कोई बात ऐसी लगती है जब हमें बोल देनी चाहिए. When not to retain the things, जब हमें एक बात एक कान से सुन के दूसरे कान से निकाल देनी चाहिए. And when not to listen, जब आपने एक से सुनी, and retain the things, और कहीं से भी बाहर नहीं निकाली. You just retain the things, आपने उस बात को अपने मन में ही रखा. Right? So now the moral of the story, these four dolls describes different types of people. First type of person who doesn't retain things in his mind, जो कोई भी बात अपने मन में नहीं रखता. Retain का मतलब है to keep in one's mind, right? And second doll, that describes the second type of person who tells everything to everybody whatever is told to them. जो भी चीज़, जो भी बात उन्हें बताई जाती है, जो अपने पेट में रख नहीं सकते, जिनको क्या होता है पेट में दर्द होने लगता है, वो किसी ना किसी को जाके ज़रूर बता देते हैं. आप उसको उनको कोई भी बात बताएं, who tells everybody, जो सबको जाके बता देते हैं. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ पर्सन who locked up within him or her, it never comes out. और तीसरे तरीके के लॉक कौन होते हैं? जो अपनी बात को अपने अंदर लॉक करके रखते हैं, वो कभी भी उस बात को बाहर नहीं निकालते, किसी को भी नहीं बताते. सो फोर्थ टाइप ऑफ पर्सन that was described by that fourth doll, that is a combination of all three dolls, all three types of person, all three types of doll. तो हमारे अंदर भी क्या होना चाहिए बेटा? We should have the quality of that fourth doll. That first one is, we should know a person is called the best one when we should know when not to listen. जब हमें पता हो कि हमें कोई बात कभी नहीं सुननी, that means एक कान से सुने दूसरे से निकाल दें. when to speak, कब उस बात को बोलना है और नहीं बोलना. एंड थर्ड क्वालिटी इज़ when to remain silent, और हमें ये पता हो कि हमें कभी किसी बात को सुनकर कब चुप भी रहना है, राइट? सो दिस इज़ ऑल द moral of the story. I hope you understand the story and read this chapter again. Don't need to write this the moral of the story. This is only the points you should know, right? So beta, each chapter has some moral. We should learn from these chapters and we should be like this fourth doll. We should be like this fourth type of person, right? Thank you so much. We will do tomorrow the exercise of chapter 1 and meet you tomorrow. Thank you.